What's poppin', YouTube? I'm back with another video. This one's another makeup look for you. Could be Valentine's, could be a night out. It's versatile, okay? This is just a pink and gold halo eye for you. A lot of affordable products here. For this look, I used my Colourpop Yes Please palette. I'm probably the last person in the world to get my hands on this palette, but whatever. Better late than never. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna give you guys a second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Show your support, show love. Yeah. Give the video a big thumbs up. If you like makeup videos, you want to see hair videos, give the video a big thumbs up. I'm not even gonna waste any time. We're gonna hop right in. Alright y'all, so I already moisturized my face off camera. So I'm just gonna start off with my primer. I'm just going to use about a pea-sized amount of that, and I'm going to put that in my T-zone. Now I'm going to go in with my Badescu Rosewater spray, and I'm going to set that primer in place. And I'm just going to let that dry a bit. Next I'm going to go in with my Glam Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and I'm also going to put that in my T-zone. And I'm just taking a pea-sized amount of that as well. And this stuff really gives your skin such a nice glow. I didn't think I would like it at first, but I'm actually thinking I might go full size. I'm going to be trying out a new foundation today. I heard great things about this foundation, so I'm really excited to try it. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. And I am in the color 312 Golden. Okay, so I like this already because it comes with a pump. I'm just gonna put about a squirt and a half on my hand. And then I'm gonna take a foundation brush and just apply that to the skin. Trying to see if it's my color or not. This might be a little bit light for me. Oh yeah, it's a little light for me. To darken that up, I'm going to use a little bit of my NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint. And I have that in the color medium 3 Cuba. I'm going to take just the slightest bit of that and mix it in. Now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. I'm just going to buff that into my skin. What I can say about this Maybelline foundation, it does have really nice coverage. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that, of both foundations, on my hand, just to build this coverage up on some of my problem areas. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend this in. So next I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Cocoa. And I'm just going to use that to contour my face. And I'm going to use my Real Technique sculpting brush to blend that in. I'm gonna go back and add a little bit more of that to kind of chisel my jawline. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend out that contour on my nose. I'm going to be very gentle with that blend on my nose and sort of leave an outline of where that contour is. Don't worry though, we will fix that harsh line later. Now I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Golden. I'm going to use that to highlight my face. Taking the back side of my Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend that in. As you can see, that bit of concealer that I put on the side of my nose, I left that there. And what I'm going to do is, with the point of my Beauty Blender, I'm going to roll that into the contour on my nose to kind of fade that line a bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish blending out that highlight on my nose. Also with the new product, we're trying out a bunch of new stuff today. I just got my hands on this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. I'm going to be using this today to set my under eye instead of my Fenty Beauty. If I can get it open. It's not fingernail friendly. Smart. It's just a sticker. Good one, Tato. Good one. I'm going to pour a bit of it out on a spare palette that I have. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure there are no creases on my under eye before I apply this powder. I'm just going to be baking directly under my eye. Actually, I'm not even going to bake. I'm going to press this into the skin. With the powder brush, I'm going to go in and just set the rest of that under eye. Tapping first, and then brushing that excess away. And now we're just gonna pray to God that I don't crease. Now taking my Airspun loose powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. And to do that, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics #1 brush. Then I'm just going to go back in with my Mario Badescu and spray my face once more to set everything in place. Now to prime my eyes today, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, but this time I'm going in with the color Medium Tan. I'm just going to use a little bit lighter of a color because I really want my eye makeup to pop today. And that lighter color is going to give me a little bit more contrast. I'm going to use my Airspun powder just to set that concealer in place. Now for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Yes Please palette. Yes, it really is cute AF. Okay, and this is my first time trying this palette out, The colors are so beautiful. So beautiful. As you can see. And it has all the names on the back. I'm so late to trying out this palette, but better late than never. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really know what eye look I'm going for today. So I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then I will be right back. Alright, so this is what I came up with for my eyes. It's a nice gold halo eye. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna use this color here. This is Big Cocktails for my transition shade. I'm gonna put this all into my crease. And what this is gonna do is just help those other shadows blend together seamlessly. I'm gonna take this color here, which is Champs, and I'm gonna apply that into my crease. And I'm gonna extend that out towards my brow. Next, I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush. This is called Louis. I'm just gonna apply that in circular motion. Whatever's left, I'm gonna drag through my crease. Now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. I'm gonna take this color here. This is called Butter Cake, and I'm gonna focus that on my outer and inner corner. And I'm just gonna blend those two colors together at the top. Now I'm gonna go back in with this same brush that had Louis on it, and I'm gonna use that to sort of blend everything together. Now going in with the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, I'm gonna take that same no filter concealer in the color medium tan, and I'm gonna use that to cut my halo. I'm taking my Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go in with this color here, which is called Bling, and I'm gonna use that to set that halo. Now I'm taking a dense eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna wet that, and I'm going to be taking this color here, which is called Spoiled, and I'm going to apply that into the center of my lid. Now taking that same small eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go back into Butter Cake, and I'm just going to apply that to the edges of this gold shade to kind of blend out the harsh lines and build that color up on the inner and outer corners a little bit more. I'm going back in with my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. I'm just gonna blend. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of that gold shade because it did fade out quite a bit. Now I'm gonna take my Lash Craft Length and Value mascara, and I'm gonna apply that to my top lashes. And the lashes that I use today are from Morphe. They're in the style Melrose Avenue. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, now that we got this lash on, we're about to get this under eye popping. Okay. So I'm gonna go back in with this orange shade here called Louis. I'm going to apply that to my under eye first. And then I'm going to go in with Butter Cake. Same brush. All that good stuff. Now I'm going to go in with this Sephora waterproof eyeliner. And I'm just going to use that to line my waterline. Now going back in with that mascara, I'm just gonna coat my bottom lash line. Now we're gonna hop back into the face because your girl is looking a little on the pale side, and that's a no-no. no go. Okay. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Obviously a fan fave for your girl. Okay. I'm gonna take an angled eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna use this to contour my nose. Cause the contour needs to be fierce, honey, okay? So taking this Colourpop bronzer and in circular motions, I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks, my forehead, bronze my face up. I just want my contour to be a little sharper, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my Airspun loose powder and sharpen it up, all right? Sharpen than your best kitchen knife, baby, okay? Sharp enough to cut these hoes, okay? Now I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and this is in the color Rock On World. Gang, gang. Oh my God, this is new too. I'm trying a lot of new stuff today. So using an e.l.f. powder brush, I'm just gonna tap it on in there, and I'm gonna bronze my face up, circular motions. You know the drill. Yeah, girl's looking like a bronze goddess. Okay, bronze goddess in the building. I'm just gonna wipe this powder off with my BH Cosmetics #1 brush. What do I want to use for my highlight? Questions and answers. Then I'm gonna go in with my Carly Bible palette because we have colors on colors on colors on colors. No, actually, your girl wants to glow, okay? I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty and none other than the infamous Trophy Wife. This is one of my faves. Everyone tells me, oh, Trophy Wife is only for special occasions. Trophy Wife is when you're trying to glow. I'm trying to glow severely every single day. This highlight needs to be popping on a daily basis. So if I want to wear Trophy Wife to the grocery store, guess what? We wearing Trophy Wife to the grocery store. If I want to wear Trophy Wife to the library, guess what? We're wearing Trophy Wife to the library, okay? When I die, bury me inside Trophy Wife. Really though, okay? I'm just gonna tap that into my brush. I'm just gonna tap that on my brush. And I'm gonna glow like my life depends on it. I don't like to go too heavy on the nose highlight though with Trophy Wife because I mean it really is a glow. It is overbearing on the center of your face, I'm not gonna lie. Put a tad bit on the tip. And I'm gonna take a pencil brush and pop a little bit of that Trophy Wife onto my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu Rosewater spray one last time and set everything in place. I'm gonna go with my NYX Lip Liner in the color Cappuccino and line my lips. And I'm gonna be using my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Sandstorm. Alright ladies, I hope you like this look. If you recreate it, be sure to tag me in it. I wanna see all your pictures of what you guys create. See you next time.